Hello, this is RV Vagabond Jerry, and today I'm on the island of Tenerife, which is another one of the Canary Islands, and at the port here of Santa Cruz, and I'm taking another tour that's going to take us way up into the mountains to a national park. So I'm going to show you some of the sights along the way. In fact, we're going to go up to around 10,000 feet elevation. So come on along and I'll show you what this island looks like. My bus has already driven quite a long way, going up high into the mountains. And now we're looking down onto the shoreline there to the city of Santa Cruz, which is the capital of the island of Tenerife. And Tenerife is the largest of the Canary Islands and has a population of about 1 million people. Plus, they get about 500,000 tourists every month. And tourism is the #1 economy income for the islands. Here's a plaque that shows and tells more about it. This is the island of Gran Canary where I was yesterday. We stopped at this restaurant way up in the mountains here, and I'm on a platform where there is a solar telescope, and here's information about it. I've never seen one of these before, and I tried to look in it, but I don't think I know how to aim it right so you can actually see the sun. Here's a map of the island, and I'm going to see what's over here. So this is whatever that is. And this is looking in the opposite direction, where this peak is.
All this area where we are right now is called the Minas de San Jose, the San Jose Mines. Over here, time ago, it was allowed the extraction of materials from the area. Also, the wall that we have around, it has a diameter of almost 26 kilometers in a few minutes too.
This is a massive field of volcanic rock. We stopped at this viewpoint to take some pictures. They have some interesting rock formations here. There's some people climbing up a trail there. I don't know just how far up the trail goes. A lot of people are going up here, mostly to take pictures of themselves. So here's a different perspective of the rocks. And off to the left are some more unusual rocks. And way off into the distance here, some more nice landscape. Then this is what it looks like on the other side of the road. And here's a plaque that tells about it. And here's some buildings just a little ways up the road. I don't know what they are, but this indicates that there is a cable car over there somewhere. The cable car must be going a ways up this really tall mountain. And just below there is some more unusual rock formations. Well, that's it for this spot. Well, I figured out where the cable car is. Going up to that peak. Which is actually on the other side of the road than where those buildings were. And there's where you get onto the cable car.
Also for decoration you have different handcrafts with like basins decorated. Some of them we find them decorated with the pintaderas. House usually they used to paint a pintadera. Sometimes it's a sign like a spiral or a circle or a couple of triangles.
Well, now we're on our way back down the mountain to the city of Santa Cruz, where the cruise ship is. So now I'm getting a closer up view of the city. Here's a nice wide view. There is numerous of these roundabouts all over the islands. Instead of having stop signs, they have these roundabouts. Well, now we're walking around the city where I can get a really close-up view. How do you like this place? I noticed in Spain and on some of the Canary Islands, they have these supermarkets, but their supermarkets are just really small stores. Seems strange to me. Here's an interesting museum building. Well, how about that? I actually got a parade in my video.
It's like a desert.
Well, that's the end of my tour of Tenerife. Good day, folks.